Secure your admissions from the GULLAS College of Medicine, Philippines with world-class amenities, secured hostel facilities, hygienic South Indian food. Link in description.
Okay, I'm going to make my breakfast, okay? It's a secret. As in, now it's not going to be a secret, but I won't be sharing with you guys. See? I do know how to cook. Proof. So once I put up a story about the omelette which I have, and a lot of my friends asked for what all I put in the omelette. So today is the omelette day, or recipe for the omelette video, or whatever this is called. Okay, I'm just going to see, I do know how to cook. Proof. I put freeze the pan. Ooh, it's like a pro. Okay, I'm going to make my breakfast, okay? It's a secret. As in, now it's not going to be a secret, but I won't be sharing with you guys. Okay, I'm very bad at this. Making the videos and all of that, I'm extremely bad. But anyways, so for my breakfast, every day I eat pancakes. And it's a healthy version of pancake. Okay. 1 small banana or half of 1 big banana. 2 eggs. 1 whole and 1 of half in the sense white. Baking powder, cinnamon powder, I like to put protein powder in mine because it's chocolatey better. And grind it. The secret is this ghee is from home, as in I have a cow and a calf at home, and this is from them. So mummy sends it from Kurd. So it smells really good, and it's really important for all of us to consume at least 1 teaspoon of oil every day. Just letting you know some knowledge I have. Okay. Yummy, yummy.
Secure your admissions from the GULLAS College of Medicine, Philippines with world-class amenities, secured hostel facilities, hygienic South Indian food. Link in description.